خلافت کے بنا اپنا نہیں کچھ بھی گزارا ہے.
So, I feel, you see, if I receive your letter once in a year, then even then I pray for you. I say, okay, Allah Ta'ala bless this person who has written me the letter. And some people who have been writing to me regularly, at least once a month, then I feel, yes, and I have some personal contact with those people as well. So, obviously, this is a human nature. I am also a human being, so it's a human nature that has some different sentiments for that person. Anyway, no matter whether you are writing once in a year or every month, I pray for everybody who writes to me, even for those even who do not write. So, but those whom I know very well, you see, then you have some personal contacts with them and personal sentiments and emotions for them. So, as you receive the letter of your friend or your brother or your loved one, the same way I feel. Huh? Right?